just to round this off, so where do you go from here? I can see that the number of attendees just stays constant. So clearly, this has your interest, or you've fallen asleep in front of the computer. Um, but we've just been scratching the surface here, trying to give you a bit of taste of what you can do. And here's some pointers to where you can go. If anything, if you forget everything else, this page, which you can probably find as well, it's in the menu on the learning things on Dialog's website, so you don't have to remember the URL. But it really has links to everything, including us here at this event, as you can see in the orange box there. And it has a lot of tips and tricks on not just getting started, but also continuing and training yourself and getting help with various things. So really a useful place to go. There was a mention of the APL competition that has been lately replaced with something new we call the APL challenge. It's really, really simple, self-contained problems that you solve. And each problem statement, it builds on what you had before, and it contains all the information that you need to solve it. So even if you feel like you don't know any APL, and we have quite a few attendees here who have been using APL for less than a week or just for a few weeks, don't worry, it has everything you need. And there's a chance of winning actual real life money as well. And so there's that. And it's a nice training opportunity. And we run this every 3 months. There'll be a new round, new questions. Then I put this in chat before as well. And from the old competition that's been running for almost 15 years, I think. And we have taken some of the simple problem and put them up in this framework online where you can test your solutions, writing functions, and you can find those on apl.quest. There is oh, there's a comment here in the chat that almost every APL this person knows is from last year's competition. So that's probably from this kind of thing here. So here are 11 years worth of 10 problems per year. So a total of 110 problems that you can try out your APL skills on. And it has hints as well, as there's one on the screen. And for every one of these 110, there is also a video that I recorded walking through the problem and solving it. And the code there is posted online. There was a chat event where the problem was discussed. Sometimes there are extra insights and solutions in the chat. And there are links to the chat from the video descriptions as well. So there's definitely somewhere to go. Eventually I'll probably have the videos and everything on the pages as well, working on that. But it's already fully usable. You can drill yourself with the Apple Cart quiz. So Apple Cart is this collection of lots and lots of small expressions and functions to do various things. And that same database is then used to generate automatically small quizzing questions. There's no input and testing things. You just quiz yourself. You can just, if you need APL exercises for 5 minutes, you can go and find that there. So that's like the next level up of drilling yourself and owning your skills. It doesn't bring you to writing actual full-scale applications. That's kind of the next level up, but that will come later. And you can find information about that on various websites as well. The APL Wiki in general has lots of information about every aspect of APL and links to more and more things. This number you see here, 444, is not true anymore. It has grown since I took the screenshot. And there's also a page there on learning resources. You can see the link to that there. and there are a quite large amount of tutorials, both in text and video and interactive forms that you can find like that. But as I said, and most importantly, and that getting started page, it contains links to all the other things that I mentioned. So if you just go there, then you can find your way to all the other things. And there are forums that you can contact APLers on for questions and guidance. And if you contact, I think, any of us, reach any of us, we can forward questions to the other people who have been on the panels here. So I guess all that remains really is to say thank you to everybody who participated. Thank you to the attendees. I hope everybody enjoyed this, and I wish you good luck on your continued APL journey.